How to make all of your posts public on Facebook. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. So let's dive right in without wasting any time. Also make sure to watch this video till the end. Before starting the video, make sure to update Facebook to the latest version. Then open up Facebook on a device. Now tap on three lines at the top right corner. Now simply scroll down. Then go to settings and privacy. Now open up settings. Now scroll down and tap on activity log. You can find this setting under your activity. Now tap on your Facebook activity or simply tap on public post. Now tap on select all. Now tap on three dots. Now tap on change audience. Now tap on continue. Now simply select public and go back. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. See you in the next video.